What's up, you guys? My name is 𝐏𝐀𝐑𝐓. For those who don't know me, I specialize in e-commerce. I own my own company that sells on Amazon Prime and other e-commerce platforms such as eBay. Today I want to talk to you guys about trademarks and how trademarks work, and if you have a company yourself, how you can get your logo trademarked. Trademarking a logo is a bit intimidating, I'm not gonna lie. When I wanted to file my logo, I just didn't know the whole process, the whole steps to do so, and I'm a bit tech savvy. I actually work online, so I know how to make a logo, I know how to use Photoshop, make websites, but as far as trademarking a logo, that whole process was a bit difficult to do so. So I wanted to make a YouTube video basically just to help out anybody that wants to file their own trademark, and the best and most cost-effective way to do so. I personally don't suggest you file your trademark yourself. I didn't file it myself because of these reasons. First of all, the whole process to file your application takes about 6 months. So if you make an error within those 6 months, you have to resubmit your application all over again. The second reason I did not file the trademark myself is because you have to do extensive research to see if your logo could get trademarked and what category it needs to fall in. And the third reason is because the application fee is a bit expensive. It costs around $200 to $300 per class just to submit the application. So when submitting your trademark, you want to make sure everything is perfect and on point. You want to make sure you know what you're doing, and I honestly did not know what I was doing, so I outsourced the whole process. I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-steps of how you can outsource the process, the most cost-effective way to do so, and I'm going to recommend the person that personally did it for me. I guarantee you it's going to be the cheapest way to trademark your logo. But it's very important that you trademark your logo as soon as possible, especially if you're growing your own business. I'm going to give you guys a great example of what happened to me personally, and it's a great example because at that time I didn't have my logo trademarked, and it could happen to basically anybody. So a few years back, I owned a food truck called Arabian Knife. This food truck was a Middle Eastern food truck that I owned. I basically made the whole food truck from scratch. I didn't have the initial investment to purchase a food truck brand new, so I went on Craigslist, I bought a blank truck, and then throughout the whole process I kept buying equipment for the food truck. I got it completely wrapped, certified, everything, the whole process. I ran the food truck for about 3 to 4 years successfully, and then I ended up selling the truck. But within those 3 to 4 years, I actually found out that there was another truck intimidating me. Literally copied my logo, my name. I made my logo myself, so I know just got ripped off from me. So it's just funny but this food truck was actually in another country. I believe, I'm not sure if it was India or where that food truck was, but they basically stole the logo. It was on their truck and everything, and at that time I didn't have my logo trademarked, and it's just a funny coincidence, you know. So it's very important that you have your logo trademarked just for those reasons. Say somebody could intimidate you. Let's say if you have a brand, right, and you're selling on Amazon, for example, and somebody gets your logo, uses your logo, makes an imitation product of your logo, and now you don't have any power to basically remove them, because you contact Amazon. Amazon's going to be like, okay, let me see your trademark, let me see that this is legitimately your company. And just having a trademark gives your company a lot more power to do. It gives your company a lot more security and a lot more power and a lot more authority. So this is very important that you get your logo trademarked as soon as possible. You could either trademark your logo, your name, your slogan. So now I'm going to be showing you guys 2 options of how you yourself can get your logo trademarked. These 2 options are basically outsourcing everything and making sure your trademark is professionally done correctly, so you don't have to do it the second time or third time, and just do it the first time correctly. The first method I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the more costly method and the more generic method. I personally did not do this one, but the first method is basically going on Google, searching up a trademark attorney. This route is a bit expensive. It costs around up to $2,000 just to file your trademark with these attorneys, and the application fee runs about $250 to $300, so you're looking to cough up a lot of money. Especially if you're starting up a business or growing a business, every penny counts. Most companies don't have that much money just to throw out, and it's very important that you use your money wisely. So I did not go this route. I don't recommend this route. This is a more common route to do, but personally I didn't go this route. I'm going to be showing you guys the route I went on. This is the best way I suggest to do it. It's the cheapest way. I'm going to show you guys step by step of how I got my trademark logo for the cheapest way possible. I personally did not find a video about this on YouTube or anything like that. I discovered it myself, and so I just wanted to share with you guys. So basically what I did was I went on Fiverr.com. So Fiverr is a marketplace where there's people that work all over the world, and they literally could do a lot of skill sets for you. So if you want to outsource anything, like say you want a custom made logo, some flyers, business cards, a website done, this is a great website to outsource things like that. You'll be impressed because like you get a logo done for around $30 on Fiverr, and if you get it done locally, that logo will be around $300. So I tend to outsource a lot of things on Fiverr, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my trademark logo on Fiverr. So I found this attorney basically on Fiverr. It's an Indian attorney, but basically he just shows you step by steps of how to do everything. He files everything for you. He has everything done, so all you have to do is just put the payment and file it yourself. But he literally does everything for you. He gives you even a video of step by step instructions of how to do everything, and the whole process was really cheap. I remember it cost me around $45 just to research if my logo is able to get trademarked. And then after that I paid maybe I think $60, and everything was done. The whole process was done. I submitted the application fee, which was about $250. It's been a bit while back since I did everything, but I got everything approved. So you know the whole process takes about 6 months. So I don't remember exactly how much I paid, but I know it was really cheap. And this is literally the best route to do, because I ended up saving what, $1,800–900 maybe. If I would have went the more generic route of just going locally and getting my trademark done locally. I'm going to be putting the link down below, the Fiverr seller that helped me trademark my logo. This is going to be the most cost-effective way to do so. And if this video helped you out by any means possible, please subscribe below and smash that like button, because it's going to help this channel tremendously. See you on the next one. Peace.